Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to talk about the map function that provide dot. Okay, so here I just write map function. Okay, so remember that this map function transforms every element, every each element and every element and returns a new iterable. So this is a very useful. So this map transforms each element and returns a new iterable, not list. Okay, I'm going to show you that how it working. Okay, I'm just write main function here, and I just take a set of values. Okay, integer values. Okay, if I write here values. Okay, so here I just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now I want to show you that how these maps are working. Okay, I just write map, and here you can see this map returns iterable and take a function, and the function is one parameter integer. Okay, and it returns iterable, not a list or set. Okay, if I write here a function, so here you can see I write a arrow function and also anonymous function. So if I write and now here I just want to uh, e multiplied by itself. Okay, here you can see if I write here not itself. Okay, it's also okay. So here you can see this function take a parameter integer. Okay, and it returns iterable. So this function is called on every element of inside these elements. Okay, so this function calls and working over every element here. Okay, that are inside this set. Okay, so now I want to show you if I write here var and square of square values. Okay, so if I write here instead of var iterable, so uh, it's also good. Okay, so now I want to show you front square values. Okay, so here I just want to show you now. Here you can see every element is multiplied by itself. Okay, so here you can see 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Okay, and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Okay, so it is very useful thing. Okay, if you want to convert this iterable to list, okay, you just write here dot to list. Okay, so this list is also iterable. If I write here list, it also okay, so list. Okay, if I run this, and now you can see the square brackets. Okay, so it converted to list. If you want to convert this to sit, so here you just write sit. Okay, and now here you can see these curly braces, this is converted to sit. Okay, I hope you will understand this section, and for now it's enough, and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.